Hello and welcome. Today we're going to create this colorful 80s retro text animation in After Effects. Create a new composition. 4K resolution, 30 frames per second and 8 seconds long. Name it Text. Type in your text. I'm using a font named Maliga. Link is in the description. Click on the animate arrow, select Scale. Set the scale to 0%. Click on the Start Stopwatch icon to create a keyframe with a value of 0%. At the 2-second mark, create a keyframe with a value of 100%. Select the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Go to the graph editor and adjust the curves like this. Select the text, right-click Layer Styles and click on Gradient Overlay. Create a new composition. Name it Main Comp. Drag and drop the text composition inside. Add a posterized time effect. Set the frame rate to 15. Add a colorama effect. In the Input Phase section, press Alt and click on the Phase Shift stopwatch icon. Type in the expression time times 500. Add a Venetian binds effect. Set the transition completion to 50%, the direction to 90 degrees, and the width to 25. Add a mosaic effect. Set the horizontal and vertical blocks to 500. Add a Gaussian blur effect. Set the blurriness to 3. Add a glow effect. Set the glow radius to 100 and the glow intensity to 0.5. Duplicate the effect and set the glow radius to 500. Create a new solid layer, name it Grid. Add a grid effect. Select the size from the width slider. Set the width to 20, set the border to 4, change the color to black, select the grid layer and change the mode to overlay. Create a new solid, name it Background. Set the color to 080808. Add a noise effect. Set the amount to 20% and uncheck the Use Color noise box. Move it below the other layers. Select the text. Press S to show the scale property. Set a keyframe at the start with a value of 85%. At the end of the timeline, set a keyframe with a value of 100%. Let's preview the result. Pretty cool. Like this video if you learned something new and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a good day, and I see you in the next one.